Volkswagen Beetle restoration. At all times, the Volkswagen Beetle has been compared to cockroaches. Both of them are hard to kill and they will probably survive even a nuclear apocalypse. And that is true. No devastation after World War II, not a huge fire of the industrial park could destroy one of the oldest Beetle in the world, which recently have been restored. A fire 4 years ago in the German city of Hamburg destroyed a karting track, a furniture warehouse, and several small businesses. It also destroyed a multi-million-dollar collection of classic cars preserved by the Volkswagen and Porsche collector and dealer Gerhard von Raffai. Among them, there were Bugatti, Maserati, Austro-Daimler, Lohner-Porsche 1900-1901, and many other unique examples. The Volkswagen Beetle might seem to be in the wrong collection if not for the fact that it has the serial number 100003 and was produced before the first Volkswagen plant went into production. Among dozens of prototypes and experienced examples of Volkswagen that were produced before World War II, a bunch of cars well known as VW39 were the coolest to the original design of Ferdinand Porsche's KDF wagon. They were sent to journalists for the demonstration in the press in the second half of the 1938, early 1939. Made at the Porsche factories in Stuttgart, they were taken around the country for display at various auto shows, conferences, and commercials. According to the Prototype Auto Museum in Hamburg, Ferdinand Porsche used chassis 100003 by himself as a show car. Where he showed it and to whom, it seems to be unknown, but after all, it was parked in a garage in Berlin, where Porsche had an office and where it was stored throughout World War II. Unlike other early Volkswagen destroyed in trials or during the war, 10003 survived, but not quite. It was found without an engine and its body was damaged by debris from a garage. Around the same time, the Raffai family, who became one of the first Volkswagen distributors in 1946, announced a nationwide search for the world's oldest existing Volkswagen, which led them to purchase and restore this one. Volkswagen with the number 100003 remained an invaluable part of the Raffai collection until the horrible fire. But it would be a terrible mistake if they would send a rare car to a landfill. So in the summer of 2015, the burnt remains were taken to the Prototype Museum, where top-class specialists began a meticulous process of complete restoration. Work on the car lasted almost 3 years and was completed only in February 2018. A miraculously preserved engine from another pre-war Beetle, serial number 3824, was used as a power unit and the body was painted lacquered black, according to the photographs from the archives. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye-bye.